Just a few steps away from downtown Magog is an area of woods, marsh, and bog called Marais de Rivière Cerises. Wooden footbridges, boardwalks, and forest trails make this area accessible during all 4 seasons. We enjoy the changes that all the seasons offer. This 3-kilometer trail is easy. Hubby and I usually combine it with a walk through the parks around Lake Magog. Takes us about an hour. So whenever you're in Magog, do visit the trail. It's pretty easy, very beautiful, and therapeutic.